this was our route plan for today. First, we will go to Jatayu Earth Center, and from that, we will go to Kovalam.
Hey guys, good morning. So I'm at Vakala today and I'm just checking out. There we are going to the Jatayu Earth Center. So I have heard that it's a very nice place. I've seen pictures, and plus this is 30th of December plus a long weekend, so you can imagine how much crowded it's gonna be. So we are just trying to go as soon as we can. It opens at 11 a.m. and after we are visiting that Jatayu Center, we will be going to Kovalam. And yes, that's it what we are doing today. And yes, I will show how the place looks like and what all food do we have today.
After reaching Jatayu Earth Center, we got the biggest shock. While going inside the parking, the guard actually mentioned that the ropeway is closed for today. There was some maintenance or something was going on. Basically, the ropeway was not working, and we had to, like, there was an option that we can walk, and the Jatayu Center is located at the top of the mountain.
So just our luck. Today cable car is not working, so we have to walk 1 kilometer, which is around 860 steps, and it's at the top of the mountain. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna walk. Also, the ticket was 350 rupees, and for cable car there was some extra. We just got the park tickets, and let's see how it goes.
Also, just letting you know that it had like proper stairs to go to the top of the mountain, so you don't have to worry if like the road is bad or something. It's not that. It's properly, and also like till at least 70% of the road you have like greeneries, trees, you have like little bit of shade as well. And also one thing I really liked is that like there are a lot of stops in between where you can get drinking water as well, like obviously for free. So it took us 40 minutes to reach to the top. Now I'm a very like non-active person, so if you are if you are physically active, I think that you will reach it much quicker than us. And by the way, this is the ropeway station, so if you're coming by ropeway, you can directly go to the top. You don't have to walk at all. And this is the sculpture, like the Jatayu sculpture, which is at top of the mountain. Also, it was extremely hot. We reached, it was around like at 12 p.m, so it was very hot. And there is also a temple at the top as well, and there was like a couple of small shops. There was a cafe as well for food and like coconut water, cold drinks, those kind of things. So those are available at the top. So this Jatayu sculpture is actually 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, and 70 feet high. And also, as I mentioned, there is a temple, like a ISKCON temple also inside there. And other than that, there are also some adventure activities. There are some 6D or like 5D theaters. I think it was closed at that time. And also there is a zip line. If you want to do, you can do that as well. Also, one more thing, plastic is not allowed at the top, so you can bring water, but it like if you're bringing it via a plastic bottle, they won't allow it. And the food is also not allowed to the top. Now, if you ask me, is it like worth visiting this place? Yes, if you're coming via a cable car, definitely you should visit this place. But if you have to walk 826 steps, I don't feel there is much to see here. Also, this is a personal opinion coming from a very lazy person, by the way.
It's done. My face is full red, I'm flushed out, it's extremely hot, but finally it's done. Third time's the charm. Let's see.
So basically this was the third time our tire got punctured. It happened in Thekkady, it happened in Alleppey, and then it happened today as well. But anyway, that was how this place was. And then we were on the way to Kovalam. In between we stopped at this place called Zam Zam. I got good reviews on Google and had our lunch. The place is nice, by the way. The food is also good. So if you're coming like on the way, you can definitely visit this place. So for Kovalam, we didn't have any hotel booked previously. So we planned on just going directly and wanted to book. There were a couple of hotels that we saw that was very near to the beach, but like the rooms were really bad. And finally, we got a really nice hotel. It doesn't have direct access to the beach, but the view from the balcony, this is the balcony by the way, it amazing. Just look at how it looks in the morning. This like the sea is actually, you can see different shades of blue from here. Like the sea looks amazing from this place. I loved the room as well. It was a pretty big room, but the best part was the bathroom. The bathroom was the same size as the room. There was a bathtub, there was like a separate area, there was a full cupboard there. Like overall, I really loved the hotel. And there was different game options as well. That was like in a different floor. There was like the breakfast was also included, and I think for 3 people it was 6,000 or 5,000 rupees per person. If anyone wants to know the name, leave it in the comment. I will check the name out. And we actually reached really late. So at night, we just went out for dinner. We just went to the beach as well. But coming from Varkala, I think I have preferred Varkala better. Like I liked it better than Kovalam. Like Kovalam also is a nice place, but I think I liked Vakala better than this. And also there are a lot of shopping places here as well, like just near the beach. So if you're staying near that beach area, the hotel, if you take any hotel nearby, there are multiple shops and cafes as well that you can visit. And that's it for this video. We are going to Kanyakumari after this, and that will be my last vlog for my Kerala travel series. I will show everything that you can visit in Kanyakumari, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Take care guys. Bye.